Imagine a world where every time you bought a new tool, it came with a digital record. A purchase record that was automatically created and instantly transferred to your account, giving you instant tool tracking. Tool tracking with everything you need to maintain your equipment, organize your receipts, manage warranties, create theft reports, search online for stolen tools, and so much more. A world where your name is attached to that same tool record in a database that helps law enforcement and pawn shops fight theft with instant information and automatic communications that can trace any tool right back to its owner. We are committed to making this dream a reality. We already have the technology. If this is the world you want, help us get there faster. Sign up for a free account and see for yourself what tool tracking looks like. Use our tool cataloging service and see how fast and easy we've already made it for you to prevent job site theft. That's PowerTool Safe.
For more information on how to protect your equipment, check out all the resources and videos on the Learning tab at PowerToolSafe.com. Sign up today and receive a $20 credit toward our cataloging service.